Connacht served as a member of the Thousand Sons during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. A blade master of great skill, Connacht's future would remain obscured to the sight of his brothers, yet he would survive the raising of Prospero. With the ascension of Fulgrim, Primarch of the Emperor's Children, his gene son Lucius would hear of Connacht's swordsmanship and venture to challenge him. Dueling to prove his worth, Lucius would defeat Connacht, yet be prevented from landing the killing blow due to the intervention of Azek Ahriman. Indebted to Ahriman, Connacht would stand at his side during the events that would lead to his accursed rubric. Defending his brother from Iskandar Kayon's attempts to thwart the rubric, Connacht would be crippled in the ensuing battle. Weakened both physically and mentally, Connacht would nonetheless remain loyal to Ahriman from the Horus Heresy and beyond. Observing the death of Ammon and countless other Astartes of the Thousand Sons, Connacht would become disenfranchised with Ahriman's willingness to sacrifice his former brothers. Conspiring with Ignis, the Master of Ruin, Connacht would duel and injure Ahriman during the Battle of Apollonia, amongst the residual forces of blanks which blocked all use of psychic power. Yet Ahriman had foreseen the betrayal, and Ignis would reveal himself to be a double agent. Slaughtering the blank suppressing his psyker abilities and overpowering Connacht, Ahriman would purge his mind of free will and use his body as a sacrifice for his second rubric ritual.